Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to delete all your tweets on the X platform or the Twitter platform. So how can you delete it? First of all, open the X or Twitter application inside your mobile phone, and once you open that, let me just open my profile as well. And once you open your profile, you can see multiple options like posts, replies, highlights, video, all the details or all the sections which you have reposted or let's say replied. Let me just open the reply as well. So once you do that, you can just click on, like, let's say this is the tweet or this is a repost. Just click on these three dots. Like, this is not a reply. It's like, let's say this is the reply. Just click on these three dots and click on delete post. And once you click on delete post, after that your post or your reply will be deleted. So, like, this is a simple process of how you can delete one tweet if you want to delete it manually. But if you want to delete it in the bulk, like you want to delete like multiple tweets or all the tweets at the same time and clean your Twitter history. So how can you do that? Is basically you need to log into your your account inside your Chrome browser or your PC or laptop, and you can use the third party tools like multiple extensions like YouTube tweet sorry Twitter tweet deleter or tweet cleanser, or like there are different extensions which are available. Like, they give you a limited deleting for your tweets, but if you want to go unlimited, they have paid plans which you can use and clean all your history related to your YouTube, or sorry, not YouTube, to the Twitter. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do that.